It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 23rd of April. This is James Spann. We'll maintain the chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms across Alabama today, probably not as many as yesterday. We'll check the radar composite early this morning, and you can see most of Alabama rain-free. Got a couple of showers up in the Tennessee Valley, got a few spotty showers over the southern counties of the state, but again, a relatively calm start to the day. But again, later, we'll see more scattered showers and storms forming, probably not as many as yesterday. We are generally in the 60s this morning. A few of the cooler pockets are in the upper 50s. We'll see highs in the low 80s in most spots today. And once again, remarkably quiet for mid to late April. That's the watch warning map around the nation early this morning. Here's the severe weather outlook. We have a risk of severe storms today. First off, east of Alabama, a marginal risk over parts of Georgia and South Carolina. And then back off to the west, a risk of severe storms from West Texas to near Milwaukee. This is tomorrow, a marginal risk, again, for West Texas, back into parts of the southern plain states. And on day 3, which is Friday, a marginal risk for parts of West Texas and Oklahoma. Then we have an outlook on day 6, which is Monday of next week. Have a risk of severe storms from Oklahoma into parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. And on day 7, which is Tuesday of next week, a risk of severe thunderstorms from near Dallas-Fort Worth up to Chicago and near Detroit. And notice Alabama not in any of these severe weather outlooks as that ridge stays in place. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. The heaviest rain will likely be north and west of here. And again, in this pattern, because of the scattered, random nature of the showers and storms, it's always hard to make these maps. This is just an average look for the next 7 days. Rain amounts will vary from near 1 inch around the shoals down to under 1/10 of an inch for southeast Alabama. So let's break it down day by day. Model fans, here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, 4 o'clock today. In a very weak southwest flow aloft, the main core westerlies are north of here. And we still have a surface front that's stalled out near Interstate 40 that will be basically washing out, leaving Alabama in a fairly moist, unstable air mass. So again, today we'll have random scattered showers and storms about. Here's the high-res HURD. This is valid today at 5 o'clock. And again, we stress, like we do every day in the summer, the radar will not look exactly like this, but something like this. And you can see scattered showers around the state, the more numerous ones across the northern third of Alabama. Otherwise, we'll see some sun today with highs in the low 80s in most spots. Really not much change tomorrow. The better chance of scattered showers and storms across the northern half of the state. And even there, not everybody sees rain. It's certainly not raining all day. Highs should be in the low 80s. The better chance of a shower or storm tomorrow during the afternoon and evening hours. And then Friday, the better chance of showers will likely be across the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama. The rest of the state dry and warm, low to mid-80s. And for the weekend, again, it's a situation where there could be a few showers around, but probably not that many. This is Saturday, and this is Sunday. The GFS trending a little more active for Sunday now, but again, with that ridge in place, we think it will be just like summertime almost, except not as hot as summer, Saturday and Sunday. Highs in the mid-80s, very humid, and the chance of random, widely scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. And of course, here on a Wednesday, it's impossible to say exactly when and where it will rain, Saturday and Sunday, but a decent chunk of the weekend should be dry. Monday, showers should be very hard to find. Same thing on Tuesday, highs in the mid-80s, maybe even upper 80s in spots. And a week from today, this is Wednesday, April 30th. And again, the main wave action well to the north and west of the state. And evidence a front will try to approach, and that might bring a little bump in the number of scattered showers and storms. But again, with the ridge holding in place, the front will have a really hard time pushing through here. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, May 2nd. And again, the ridge is finally beat down here. The ridge is out in the western states. There's a downstream trough. and that should open the door for a much better chance of showers and storms toward the end of next week. But again, do we see any cool air? Not strong evidence at this point, at least for the next 10 days. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European Ensemble. This is between now and May 8th. The mean between 1.5 and 2 inches, the green line on that chart. Temperatures stay warm, highs mostly in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s, although there's evidence of maybe some cooler air trying to get in here around the weekend of May 3rd and May 4th. Notice highs dropping back in the 70s and lows in the 50s at that point. However, the latest long-range guidance, this is for April 30th through May 6th. Again, temperatures above average here. Man, oh man, we had an amazing sky last night. Goodness gracious, that's Jacksonville State University. They were hosting UAB in baseball last night. And if I was batting, I would be totally distracted by the sky. In fact, they had a really nice rainbow showing up on the horizon. From that same perspective, the press box there at the baseball field. Here's the baseball game at Samford last night. Samford was hosting the University of Alabama. Just a gorgeous sunset. Wow. We had clouds for much of the day, and the sun just was starting to break through as it was going down. And that set the stage for just a remarkable sky last night. And on top of that, we had some amazing rainbows in the Alabama sky. Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Very vibrant rainbows in so many places yesterday and last night. Just absolutely gorgeous. All right, so today I will be in Oxford, Hope Christian Academy over in Calhoun County. Tomorrow I'm going to be at Athens Elementary School, Limestone County. And then after that, Concord Elementary in Jefferson County. Friday, Hilltop Montessori School, Mount Laurel. That's in Shelby County. And then on Saturday, it's a book signing. We are going to be at the Grind Cafe and Coffee Shop in Russellville, Franklin County. I don't think we've done a book signing in Franklin County before, so this is something we should have done years ago. If you've never been, you should come. We'll be there from 10 until noon. We'll have all the cool weather shirts, hats, all the children's books, the regular books. We have a great time and great fun, and we would love to see you there. So again, Saturday in Russellville, Franklin County, the Grind Cafe and Coffee Shop. We'll be there between 10 and 12 noon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.